if you're thinking about choosing a Kanban workshop, training or consultancy partner, well, do your homework. Find out what experience they have. How have they implemented and guided other organizations to benefit from Kanban systems? And then, you know, you are in good hands. You can look at the reviews. You can talk to the people that you are thinking of joining. Have a chat with the organization, and if you can, ideally also have a conversation with the trainer that is going to be there, or the workshop facilitator for your workshop. We at Value Glide, we always have a conversation before the workshop, just to ensure that we are on the same page. If our organization is asking us to deliver a workshop for them to help them with a Kanban implementation, first thing we want to know is to see what are the challenges they're having and what their expectations are from this workshop, and be on the same page. And secondly, we can customize the delivery of that workshop to be more focused on the challenges that they have in their context. Yes, we will cover the theory and the, if you like, the syllabus of the workshop, but we will also be focusing on what is pertinent to this context, to this client, so that they get the maximum value out of their investment. The other beauty of in-house or corporate training or team training is that when you get multiple teams from the same organization, multiple team members from the same organization or from the same team attending the same workshop, is that everybody has a different perspective. And it doesn't matter how good or an effective a trainer you are, people will filter the information in different ways. And when you go back to the office and you're implementing this, you'll see the different perspectives. People may have taken different messages, and you can challenge each other. And of course, there is the ongoing support that you have from Value Glide. So if you cannot agree, or you have different views, you just contact us and we can help you either over the phone or if needs to be in person. So that is what you get from a Kanban workshop.